Hello everyone. My name is Dipti Joshi. I welcome you all in another session on my Facebook page Deep's Art Passion. Today we have gathered here to make clay jewelry set. This clay jewelry set includes one necklace piece and two earrings. I am going to make tops. Okay, so let us start. I will brief you the materials which I have taken. These materials are very, first thing is they are very eco-friendly, and these materials are readily available at our home. Okay, so I am not using any specialized material. So first is I am using air dry clay. Then will require one knife, then used refills, used ball pen, then scissors, scale, then talcum powder for lubricating our air dry clay, and these clay jewelry means jewelry making tools. Okay, yes. Some more, because we are going to make tops. Okay, so these are some of the clay jewelry tools. Then this string. Okay, yes. Okay, so now let us start. So the shape which we are going to keep is, most probably we are going to keep a rectangular, or we can keep a square also. So let us mix these components together with the help of talcum powder. Okay, I am mixing these two components of our air dry clay. First we are going to make a pendant. Let us make a pendant. We will have to apply talcum powder. So I think it is ready. Some more talcum powder. See, we are not using any specialized tools or material. We are just making it with easily available material. You guys also can make it at home. It is a very good option for gifting. See, this is ready now. So now let us make a shape. We are going to mix small portions because it gets quickly dried up. So we are going to mix small portions. Okay. So let us make a square shape or a rectangle. We can keep it 4 by 4 approximately. Afterwards, we can adjust the shape, and let us now just cut it with our scissor. nice shape has come out of our air-dry clay. So this is our pendant. We are going to fix these tools here. We are going to fix these tools. For attachment of our string. Okay, so the shape of pendant of our clay jewelry set is ready. So now let us make the shape of earrings. We are, as I have told you earlier, we are going to mix small portions. So let us again mix. You can also definitely make this jewelry set for gifting, for this Diwali, for birthday, for the guests who are visiting your place for the first time. Okay, so this is a very good option. We have to apply some more talcum powder as a lubricant. In my next session, I am going to show you the jewelry set with the help of homemade paper clay. That also comes out very nicely. Yes, so now I think it is ready. Let us mix our remaining portion. Okay, we are going to make the tops. We are not going to make hanging earrings. So let us divide this into two equal parts. We are going to make a square shape. Okay, so let us cut in square shape. So we'll adjust this with the help of our hand and let us make it a square shape. Okay, and we are going to fix this attachment at the back side because we are going to make the tops and not hanging one. And just okay, so let us make another one. So see, this gets dried up very quickly, so we have to take it in small portions. So let us make square shape. See, this air-dry clay has some weight, so let us not make it very thick. Let us keep it thin because it becomes heavy for ears. So we have to cut according to our earlier design. Yes. So these two shapes are ready. See, these are for tops and this is for pendant. Okay. Okay. So our pendant and the shape for tops, these are ready. So now let us start making the designs. See, we are going to design this with rose flower and leaves. So first let us do the design for border. Like this. Like this. We are going to decorate our pendant set and our tops with rose flowers, tiny little rose flowers. So our border is ready. So now let us start doing the flowers. First we are going to make flowers. One for pendant and one for each top, because we are not making big sized pendant or tops. We have to adjust the shape while working, as it is a clay, it loses its shape. Okay, so let us start making first the flower for our pendant. So let us not waste our clay. So let us mix it with in small portions. Okay. Now it is ready. Now we are going to take a small portion and we are going to make a rose. Okay, see, now petals. We are going to make small petals. Let us first make all the petals and then give them very nice shape. You can definitely do on your own by seeing this video, because it is a very, I have taken a very simple design. You can see all my projects on my this page, Deep's Art Passion. All mural projects, key holders, then mobile holders, nameplates. You can give a like, comment and share with your friends. You will definitely get a very good gifting option, decor option from these murals. So now this cute little rose flower is ready for our pendant. Okay, we are giving a very nice shape. See, okay, so see, this is ready for our pendant. I'll give you a look. See, okay, yes. Now let us design. Let us not stick it right now. Let it dry. It will get dried within 2 to 3 minutes. Let us design some leaves for our pendant. We are going to design leaves. We will design 2 to 3 leaves according to the size of our cute little flower. See how I am making the leaf. Let us make it look more natural. Very cute little tiny leaf is ready. Let us make one more. So that our pendant will be ready. You can take clay tools also. So this is ready. So I'll give you a look. you can make one more over here also. Okay. Okay, so see, the design of our pendant is ready. This is our cute little rose flower, and these two leaves. Okay. Let us keep two more to make it more beautiful. Okay, see this. Okay, yes, so our pendant is almost ready. So now let us design flower for our tops. Earrings means we will have to make still small flower, smaller than this. See, we are not wasting any clay because we are mixing it in small portions. So see, in my murals I always use these rose flowers. Okay, so it is ready, so let us shape it. We cannot increase its size beyond this because our earring is comparatively smaller. So see, okay, so it will look like this. One clay flower over here and a small green leaf with it over here. Okay, yes. We'll try to adjust one more leaf over here. Let us see. Okay, yes. So see, the design of our tops are also ready. So this is small flower. We are going to adjust it in the corner of our top, and these two tiny leaves we are going to adjust near the flower. Okay. See, the design will be like this. Okay. So I will show you one leaf, tiny leaf, how to make it. Let us take very small ball of our clay. Let us shape it like this, press it. So, a very tiny leaf we are going to make. Okay, see. So for our another top, let us keep the flower here and two tiny leaves over here. Okay, yes. So now let us start pasting our designs. Let us first start pasting on our pendant. Our pendant this is rose flower. So now let us paste our leaves in four corners. We are going to paste. See how beautiful it is looking. Even if coloring is still not done. Okay, so see, this is ready, and I have these clay balls. We are going to adjust over here with the string. Okay, two on the top side and two at the bottom. Okay, so pendant design is ready. Take a view. Okay, yes. So now let us paste our, let us keep these balls aside. Let us paste our cute little small flowers on our tops. We are going to adjust our flower, rose flower, in the corner of our top. one flower over here, sorry, one leaf and one leaf over here. So see, our one earring is ready. Okay. Now let us paste on another. See, what I am giving you is a very simple design so that you can make it at home with readily available materials. I am going to show you more designs also in my upcoming sessions. So this is also ready. Okay, so see, these two and this one. Our whole set is ready. We are going to attach this attachment at the back. Okay, once it gets, these flowers get dried, we are going to attach. Okay, so coloring is to be done. Okay, so designing and pasting part is over. Okay, so see, our clay jewelry set is ready. See this pendant with cute little rose and leaves, and these earrings. With tiny rose flower and tiny leaves. Okay, so now, and these 4 beads we are going to adjust with our pendant, with our string. Okay, so now let us color our pendant with black camelin color, acrylic color. We are going to color this whole pendant with black color, and then we are going to shade it. So let us color it from each and every corner. We are going to color it from back side also. Let us color it from back side. See, we will be coloring this pendant with, and we will shade it with golden powder color or silver. Let us decide. Let us first color this so that it can go with any colored attire. So let us color from all sides. Just make sure that each and every corner gets colored. See, you can make hanging type of earrings also. Yes. Let us color these beads. These are also handmade with our air dry clay. Yes. So coloring part is over. So we are going to let our pendant and these two earrings dry completely so that we can shade those in different colors. Most probably we are going to shade them with powdered silver or golden acrylic color. It will look nice because these are very tiny designs. Okay, but let us see. Let it get completely dry. Let it get completely dry. Yes. So see. Okay. So let these designs get completely dry and we'll shade those afterwards. Okay, so see, our pendant set is ready and our 2 earrings are ready. I have attached this string on upper side and on this side. We are going to adjust our beads. Okay, I have colored the whole set with black color. So we are going to shade our clay jewelry set with powdered silver color. We are going to mix varnish in powdered silver color. Okay, so let us start our shading. It will take just 2 to 3 minutes. First we will attach our beads. Okay. Let us attach our beads, 2 on this side and 2 on upper side. With the help of toothpick, I think we will design a knot. It looks nice. One more. Okay, and now we will put our bead, handmade bead. Okay. And let us put one more knot. You definitely tried this at home. Even school-going girls of age group 10 plus can also make this clay jewelry set for gifting. Okay, one more. Yes, now I think it is ready. So on this side, our beads. We have placed 3 knots over here. Yes. So we will cut these strings, or otherwise this looks nice. Okay. We'll think of this afterwards. Let us put our beads on this side. Same process we will repeat. one more knot. This looks really good. But it should be on that knot only. One more. Let me place our bead. I have taken double string. You can take of any color, as I am going to shade it with silver color. I have taken black colored string. So let us put knots. At least 3 knots we will have to put. If you like this video, you can give a comment, like and share to your friends, and take a try of this beautiful clay jewelry set, which is really very simple to demonstrate as well as practice. So same procedure with this side also. You have to just buy small tools which I have shown at the starting of this video. You have to just shop small tools, clay jewelry tools, which I have shown at the starting of this video. Otherwise, everything is available at your home. Okay. In my next session, I am going to show making of jewelry with homemade paper clay, maybe post Diwali. Maybe post Diwali. So 2 to 3 knots here also. Yes. So see, it is ready. The pendant is ready, means the necklace piece is ready. Okay. The necklace piece is ready. I think we'll put these strings as it is. Let them. Okay. So now we'll start coloring. using this acrylic silver color, okay, and this varnish, okay. So we are going to mix this acrylic color, silver acrylic color, with our varnish. Put a very small amount of varnish and mix it. Do not make it very runny. Because we don't want our color to go deep inside our design. We just want a shading. Go. Okay, so we have mixed our powdered silver acrylic color with varnish. Okay, so we are going to take just a little amount of color on our finger, okay, and we are just going to spread it. See, each and every part gets highlighted. See, a very rustic look starts appearing. Okay, see, you have to do with your finger only, because otherwise the whole thing will become silver in color. We don't want that. We just want a shading. We just want a shading. Okay. Some over here. We will do this corners with the help of our brush. Just spread it. Okay. Yes. Now these beads on upper side. Just take care that your string should not get color. Okay, it should not get color. So see, a very rustic look has appeared to our necklace piece, right? So now our earrings. So same process we are going to repeat. See, this design on the leaf starts appearing once we apply this color. Okay. It is looking really beautiful. I will give you the view. Both of them are ready. See, we can apply just powder of this powder silver color, but it does not last for a long time. If it is mixed with varnish, then it lasts, because otherwise it keeps on sticking to your fingers, or it keeps on sticking. Okay. Yes. So this is ready. Now let us make another. With same pattern. So this is completely ready. See, take a view. Right? Okay. So this one is also ready. Just let me finish. Yes. So this is ready. Okay. Yes. So this pendant and these two earrings are ready. Take a look. Okay, I will upload the photo also. Okay, so we will keep these strings as it is. Okay, so is it not looking beautiful with antique look? Okay, so you can try this at your home. Okay, all the things are handy, pocket friendly. Okay, so you can like my video on Deep's Art Passion, share and comment. Okay, so to all my viewers, very happy Diwali, stay healthy. Okay, thanks, bye.